Media.
Coach, sakahabol kayo in you even led yung 2 minutes left, pero yun nga, San Miguel was able to pull up the escape.
Well, honestly, I like what we like actually what we saw during the second half. No? Tulad ng sinabi ko sa team, yung second half, yun yung dapat na game namin from start to finish. We cannot afford to give a team like San Miguel early lead like that. Medyo, I mean, our chances of winning pag gano'n na mangyari, medyo mahihirapan talaga kami. But, yeah, hats off to all the players. They fought back. We even had the lead in the third quarter. And then, fourth quarter, it was really a close game. So, I think those kind of games will, tulad na sinabi ko again, sa mga players, those kind of games will get us to the next level, and we definitely will get better from this. I mean, I told them that, you know, marami akong masyadong pinapagawa sa kanila. They've been trying, no? And they're trying their best to do the habits right away, no? Kasi wala na talaga yung mga habits eh. Siyempre, medyo bago pa yung sistema, medyo yung 9 years na yung iba doon, mga bago pa rin, yung ibang players, medyo bumabalik pa rin sa dating habits. But we've been trying. We can't ask anything, you know, more than, you know, what they're doing right now. I just want them to just focus on getting better every day. And this game, I told them, ito yung masasarap na laro. Ito yung sa tingin ko will get us to the next level.
Yung next game kasi ni TNT, so another test for you. Even with this loss, and then yung TNT parang medyo flat din kanina, so how confident are you?
Actually, this weekend is really a big challenge and big test, not only for the players but for me. If you think about it, I'm playing against 2 Coach of the Year for the past how many years? So, medyo I'm embracing the challenge, definitely, but I'm enjoying it. Watching them on the other side, diba, playing against them, playing chess against them, diba? So, I'm just happy and just be blessed to be, playing like a chess match against them. Even against Meralco, our 2 losses are against big teams, and it's a last possession game. Boils down to a last possession game. So, I think kaya confident ako kasi alam ko na ito yung magiging blueprint namin, na alam nila, gusto ko maramdaman nila yun. Hindi kasi pwedeng parating easy game, parating panalo na maganda o malaki naman. So sa Pogi Points, I told them, this kind of games will get us to the next level. And kaya confident ako going to Top and Text. Sabi nga sa mga, very confident if we play like this against Top and Text again. Embrace the challenge. They are your kuyas, basically. And they are my probably tito on the other side. Diba? So, we want this challenge. We embrace this challenge. We enjoy this challenge. We enjoy the competition. And hats off ako sa mga players ko. And they talagang ginagawa nila yung mga gusto kong pagawa. And they trust me. They trust the coaching staff. And also, my coaching staff. Grabe sila. They always around me, guiding me, timeouts. Meron pa ako sa likod, mga coaching staff ko sa likod. Sumisenya sila sa akin, mga coaching. Ang laking bagay sa akin. And for me, napapadali sa akin. That's why I'm confident going to the game. Because I know they're there. So,
6 games into your first year as coach, would you say na you're finally getting the hang of doing this new role first?
Well, yeah. Oo, pero siyempre, iba pa rin pag naglalaro eh. Hindi ba? Parang gusto kong kunin kanina yung bola. Ako na lang. Ako na lang. Ngayon eh. So, pero yes, again, nagulog na sinabi ko, it's a different challenge for me. It's a different aspect of challenge and competition. Me coaching young players and, vets. I'm just happy. I'm blessed, Given a chance, malay mo, diba, makalaro ulit ako, we'll see. Then ako naman yung di-discounted, diba? Yeah, so, yun, but unti-unti, nakukuha ko na naman with the help of my coaching staff again. So, sana, tuloy-tuloy na rin. No? Sana maka-bingwit kami ng isang malaking isda. No, sana maka-bingwit kami ng isang malaking isda ulit.
Patahi ka ba ng uniform? Patahi ka ng uniform?
Oo, meron ako. Ready ako. Malay mo, di ba? Ready ako. Di ba? Sayang naman.
Anong jersey number?
Yun pa rin. 5 pa rin. Magsi-16 sana ako, kaya lang ayaw.
Pero naman na-inap kayo, di ba?
Injury list. Injury list.
So, kailangan
Kailangan i-activate. So, I'll see after this long break with the Gilas.
May chance ba? May chance na...
Tingnan natin. Maganda man tinatakbo ng team eh. So, biglang pagpasok, biglang masira. Masisip ako. Masisihin ako ng coach eh. Masisihin ako ng coach eh. So, yun. Okay.